Hello guys, today I'm here with another lecture, that is nomenclature of drugs. Nomenclature actually the different names that we are giving to the different drugs. So discussing them in detail, there are chemical names, there are generic names, and there are trade names. Discussing them one by one. So starting from the very first, that is chemical names. Chemical names, they refer to the exact chemical structure of a drug. They are lengthy and complex, and they are not suitable for our everyday prescriptions because they're lengthy. So they're only important for the scientists and chemists, not important for us. Examples are the acetyl salicylic acid, which is the chemical name of the aspirin, and then we have the N-acetyl P-aminophenol, which is the chemical name of the paracetamol. So guys, you can see that these two are the lengthy names, so they are not discussed, not prescribed in our everyday life. And the aspirin and paracetamol, these are much shorter names and known by everyone. Then we have the generic names. The generic names, they are simplified chemical names of drugs. They're also called as official names. These are not as lengthy as chemical names, and examples are the aspirin, paracetamol, propranolol, diazepam. These are the generic names of different drugs. The uses of these drugs and mechanism of actions, their properties, their side effects, contraindication, everything. These will be learned by you in the special pharmacology. Here you need to know only about the names of the generic names of different drugs. So these are the important drugs: aspirin, paracetamol, propranolol, and diazepam. These are generic names. Then we have the trade names. They are given by the manufacturers, and they are also called as commercial names or brand names. Like different manufacturers of different companies, they give the different trade names to the same drug. Like aspirin, it's a generic name of that drug, so different companies are giving the different trade names to the aspirin, that is Disprin, Anaprin, Ascot, and many other which are not mentioned here. Then we have the trade names of paracetamol. These are Panadol, Calpol, Tylenol. Then we have the Introl, Cardinol, Cardiset. These are the trade names of propranolol. Valium, Zapam, Darzalex. These are the trade names of diazepam. So there are many other names. I've selected only these three names of the single generic name, so that you may know the difference. What is the difference, actual difference between these three: the trade names, generic names, and the chemical names. Hope this video would be good for you people to learn these names. Thanks for watching.